This is a crash log generated by macOS. It contains text describing why an app failed. You can open it in a text editor to read the error code. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the log. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective crash file solution for the tough cases near the end. Crash files are system error logs generated by various software applications and operating systems when a program unexpectedly terminates or encounters a critical error. These logs contain valuable debugging information, including the state of the application at the time of the crash, memory dumps, and error codes. Analyzing crash files helps developers identify and resolve the underlying causes of software failures, improving stability and reliability. Crash files typically adhere to a specific format, dictated by the operating system or application that generated them. They often include timestamps, error codes, module names, and memory addresses. Debugging tools and specialized software are used to parse and interpret the contents of crash files, allowing developers to pinpoint the source of the error and implement necessary fixes. The structure can vary widely depending on the system. When crash doesn't map to one vendor, start with operating system. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows can detect the file but not analyze it, so specialized tools must interpret the contents. Your first step in the technical sequence, right-click the crash file and choose Open With. Use operating system as your first test case. If it fails, choose another program immediately. If the crash file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, use text editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad++, to view the plain text crash report log. Next, check associated program. Determine the associated program, e.g., game, utility, or operating system, that created the crash file. Finally, check location. The file is not meant to be opened manually. Use the log to identify the faulty component or module. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.